Fix in 5. P0551. Power steering pressure sensor circuit range, performance problem, senso. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Power steering warning light illuminated on dashboard, reduced power steering assist or stiff steering wheel, power steering system operates intermittently, no noticeable drivability symptoms. Code may appear without obvious warning. Now the most likely causes. Power steering pressure sensor malfunction or degradation. Wiring harness damage or corrosion in sensor circuit. Loose or corroded electrical connectors at sensor or ECM. Hydraulic pressure loss in power steering system. ECM software issue or calibration fault. How to fix it. Inspect and repair corroded or damaged wiring harness in sensor circuit. Clean or replace electrical connectors at sensor and ECM. Replace power steering pressure sensor if voltage reading remains out of specification. Top up power steering fluid if low. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 95 doing it yourself, or €165 minus 215 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0551 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0551 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0551. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.